welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to review the Honor 90 smartphone. Let's get started. Most of the mid-range phone displays RAM or processor with high-resolution cameras were slightly commode. It's very difficult to find a mid-range phone with all the chances. If the processor is good, the display or camera is compromised, and when other things are good, the processor is kept a compact. However, Honor has addressed this and brought a smartphone, Honor 90, to the market with a mid-range budget-leveled camera, the same good display, the same processor, and a little unique looks. In this video, I am telling my experience of running Honor 90 and my clues about whether to buy this phone or not. As soon as you say 200 megapixel camera, many people's attention goes to the camera because in terms of resolution, it is a standard camera, but I have been impressed more by this display quality than by this camera. So in the beginning I talked about the display. It has an AMOLED screen of 6.7 inch. With a screen body ratio of 93.3%. It doesn't matter if you don't have bezels because its display is also called full view type, which is correct all around. Such a display made it easier to put and carry a mobile on the one hand, and on the other hand, if you look at the videos in it, it is visible in the whole screen. It has 435 ppi, that means 435 pixel in 1 inch. As a result, any content on the screen looks standard. HDR10 Plus as well as 120 Hz screen refresh rate is also available. The higher the screen refresh rate, the more smooth it is to use the mobile. What I like most about all these things is that it has a PWM dimming of 3840 Hz. The more it is, the better it is for our eyes. When we are using the mobile, the screen of the mobile is leaked without notice. The more flickering there is, the more affects our eyes and causes eye pain. In view of this, Honor 90 has been provided with a high PWM dimming screen. Honor 90 has also received different certificates. Therefore, it seems to be a very beneficial phone for many mobile users. Apart from this, various options of eye protection have been given on the phone. That's why I really liked the display of this phone. Similarly, the phone is light as well as slim, and when it comes to design, jewelry is said to be influenced. Because of this, its back cover seemed a little unique. Now let's talk about the main camera of 200 megapixel on the smartphone. Of the camera is the subject of discussion right now. The main camera on it is also 200 megapixel resolution, with which we can take photos with about 200 million pixels, which is a very high resolution. Even if you look at that photo very brightly, the detailing and color looks good. Some people who take distant objects by zooming in have a habit so that the photo quality is good. But photos taken from the main camera of this phone from 2x to 5x also look fine. Even if the screen resolution is good, the photos look clear and standard, along with light and color adjustment capacity is also good. There are so many camera modes that it makes the camera viewer truly happy. But what should not be missed is that the photos taken at night also look different. Amazing photos can be captured from this by making noise shows. Similarly, the portrait photo also takes out the pit to bow down. The bokeh effect and the focus is also perfect, and so on. There is an ultra-wide camera of 12 megapixel, from which the macro photo can also be drawn from. The ultra-wide camera quality is also not bad according to the price. 2 megapixels depth sensor may not work immediately, but along with the portrait, it helps good to make some other photos standard. The main camera is 200 megapixels, but the selfie camera is only 50 megapixels, which is a higher resolution camera than a normal mid-range phone. But it is natural that it is a bit weak compared to the main camera, although its quality is also impressive. The main thing is that the adjustment of the light is done very well, so the photos look really good on the screen. Both rear or selfie cameras can capture 4K resolution videos. But the main drawback of this phone is that there is no OIS or optical image stabilization in any of its cameras. EIS is provided in the main camera. It is a pity that there is no OIS in the mid-range phone and the phone with camera focus, because of which you cannot capture a very stable video. Because of the EIS in the main camera, you can stabilize it a little. This phone has Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 Accelerated Edition chipset. Because it is Accelerated Edition, it works fast when playing games or heavy data processing. Powered by Android 13 and Magic OS 7.17. This phone is available in 12 GB RAM variant. The phone with 12 GB RAM comes in 512 GB variant with 256 not only for content creators. The combination of all these things makes this phone suitable for playing games and multitasking. Also, edge panels for gaming mode and multitasking are not missing, but there is no option to increase external storage, so if you want more storage, it is best to buy a 512GB phone. Another good thing is that this is a 5G phone. It supports not only Wi-Fi 6 but also the latest Wi-Fi protocols. Bluetooth 5.2 is available for Bluetooth connectivity. It has a 5000 mAh capacity battery which can be fully charged in about 45 minutes using the charger provided with the phone. Overall, Honor 90 can be considered as a mid-range smartphone with a good combination of display, processor and camera. Because this phone is for camera connoisseurs or for content creators or those who like to play games or for a new generation, movie lovers who spend hours on YouTube, Netflix, it has space and features that can make everyone happy. The only problem is that video content creators may miss OIS whether they are vlogging or shooting videos. How do you like this phone? Please write in the comment box. I will come back with another video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.